Magandang hapon po ng April 18, 2024 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 18, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 18, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw results of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 18, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 20.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 13 million pesos for April 18, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for April 18, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.